Welcome to the guide of UK's top universities for physiotherapy. Let's start with number 10, Plymouth University. Renowned for its excellent teaching methods and cutting-edge facilities, it offers a stellar physiotherapy program. Next at number 9, we have Ulster University. Its vibrant and diverse community provides an exceptional learning environment for physiotherapy students. Northumbria University ranks at number 8. Known for its innovative approach, it helps students excel in the physiotherapy field. At number 7, we find the University of Brighton. With its practical and theory-based modules, it prepares students for a successful career in physiotherapy. Moving on to number 6, we have the University of Southampton. Its physiotherapy programs are designed to foster clinical and professional skills. The University of Nottingham comes in at number 5. Its physiotherapy courses are known for their high academic standards and strong emphasis on research. At number 4, we find the University of Liverpool. Its physiotherapy program is renowned for its comprehensive curriculum and excellent student support. Ranking at number 3, Robert Gordon University offers a hands-on approach to learning physiotherapy, ensuring students are industry-ready. At number 2, the University of East Anglia stands out for its physiotherapy program that combines theoretical knowledge with practical experience. And finally, at number 1, we have the University of Birmingham. Its physiotherapy program is top-rated, offering students a well-rounded education with a balance of academic rigor and practical experience. And there you have it, the top 10 UK universities for physiotherapy. Consider these options for a promising career in physiotherapy. Subscribe to us for more.